Why? It's NIMBYs. These are not in my backyard, people who bought houses and now want to freeze the neighborhood in amber as if they own the neighborhood. And they've been very successful. But without getting into all that, the result for you is that it is incredibly expensive to get a house. This person is right.
$100. That might be doable if you're able to find a home that costs less than $200,000 and your interest rate is about 6%. But of course, guess what the average home cost in the US is right now? It is double. It is $412,000. Let's say somehow you were able to get that 20% down. That means just your mortgage payment on a 6% interest rate would be about $2,000 a month. If you're making about $63,000 a year, that's about 40% of your gross pay. And keep in mind that 30% of your housing cost is inclusive of all housing costs.
It's not just the mortgage. You got to include all phantom costs. Your sprinkler breaks, your microwave conks out. You got to have a repair person come and fix X, Y, Z, or even technically, if you want to factor it all in, all the time and gas required to go to Home Depot 2 times a month and on and on and on. My back of the napkin calculation shows that whatever the mortgage payment is, I add 50% to that to account for phantom costs. 50. Remember, it's not just what's broken today. It's the $16,000 repair you're going to make 9 years from now. You need to properly amortize that out. And I'm not even getting into renovations. A lot of you all think that if I renovate, I just print money.